Nadu Deepavali Sweets Special Weight Loss. Tamil Nadu Deepavali Sweets Special Weight Loss. Indulge in the flavors of Tamil Nadu this Deepavali with our special sweets. From mouth-watering dry fruit laddu to healthy yet delicious Oats Rava Paniyaram, and not to forget the traditional Diwali Sweet Susiyam, discover irresistible recipes that won't derail your weight loss goals. Try them now. Dry Fruit Ladoo Recipe. Dry fruits, raisins, nuts, and dry coconut combine to make an easy and straightforward laddu recipe. A perfect recipe for a sweet or energy snack to share with friends and family for any occasion or celebration. There are many types or variations of this laddu recipe, but this one uses only easily available dry fruits. Healthy no sugar dry fruits laddu recipe. Indian cuisine is famous for its sweets and desserts such as laddu and barfi. Before it is served, it is usually shaped into a ball or like a fudge out of flour and sugar. Dry fruits laddu, a popular healthy Indian sweet recipe, does not require sugar. Energy bars or energy laddus. These sweets are often called energy bars or energy laddus. This sugarless dry fruit laddu can be considered an energy bar. There are typically more seeds in commercial energy bars, such as chia seeds, dates, etc. I have added almost all the dry fruits equally to this laddu. Dry fruits are not all considered super healthy. Due to their cholesterol-raising abilities, cashews are not used in all energy bars. For your next celebration or occasion, you should try this simple dry fruit laddu recipe. High quality dates. This recipe does not contain any sugar or jaggery. Sugar or jaggery is not just added for sweetness but also to bind. A moist and high quality date is used in this recipe as a binding agent. My second step was to roughly chop all the dry fruits before adding them to the laddu mixture. This recipe does not require fine powder. To ensure a longer shelf life, use dry coconut instead of desiccated coconut. Your weight loss goals. Indulge in the flavors of Tamil Nadu this Deepavali with our special sweets. From mouth-watering dry fruit laddu to healthy yet delicious Oats Rava Paniyaram, and not to forget the traditional Diwali Sweet Susiyam, discover irresistible recipes that won't derail your weight loss goals. Try them now. Oats Rava Paniyaram. For breakfast, dinner, or snack, why not have Oats Rava Paniyaram? Additionally, oats are more digestible. You absorb more nutrition from your food this way. Healthy carbs like oats have been linked to improved mood, weight loss, and energy levels. Our hunger pangs are satisfied by it. Oats Rava Paniyaram is a healthy weight loss breakfast, dinner, or snack shoot. Oats Paniyaram is an easy and healthy Paniyaram recipe that you can prepare in just 30 minutes. Paniyaram batter does not require fermentation, rice flour, baking soda, or salt. Oats and rava are just two ingredients that are readily available in your pantry. Healthy breakfast ideas like oats pongal and oats uthappam are easy to prepare. My last batch of idli batter was ground a week ago. The kids' snack box and breakfast were on my mind. Rava Paniyaram comes to mind when I think of these oats. Because you don't need to soak or process any complicated ingredients. Once you try it, You'll love it. Diwali Sweet Susiyam. How does Susiyam work? Tamil Nadu's most famous authentic festival dish is Susiyam, an Indian sweet recipe made with green grams of dal, jaggery, and coconut stuffing. Cardamom and dry ginger flavor it. Green gram dal puranam sweet susiyam recipe. Green gram dal puranam sweet susiyam recipe for Diwali. This made Susiyam is traditional Susiyam with a twist. I think no intro is required for Susiyam. It's a South Indian delicacy. Sukkinunde in Canada and Sukhiya in Malayalam are names that have changed in different states. Although the preparation differs slightly, the end product looks the same. Good. In traditional Susiyam, ground dal and rice are used. Diwali day involves keeping oil and frying something. Choose dry fruits over deep fried. We must be careful when eating Deepavali sweets, especially calorie-laden desserts that can cause blood sugar spikes, insulin resistance, weight gain, etc. When making sweets at home, use low-fat, skimmed milk. Replace refined sugar with natural sugars like honey, jaggery, and dates if possible. Sweets and snacks can be made with whole wheat flour. Diet sweets and ice creams are readily available in the market. Choice of sweets. The sweets I prefer are laddus, suji, coconut, etc., kheer, and gajar, carrot, halwa. The sweets are nutritious and have fewer calories than fried sweets like gulab jamun, jalebi, bundi items, etc. Start the day with high-calorie foods. Always choose dry fruits over sweets if you have a choice. At least they do not contain empty calories, even if they are equally high in calories. Exercise regularly. Continuing your regular exercise routine will motivate you to go that extra mile if sweets are a temptation. When you are on holiday, it is perfectly okay to also relax. After a while, you can resume your workout schedule.